In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download any assets from Figma file free. This is quick, simple, and it works right in your browser, so you don't need any paid plugins or extra tools. First, open the Figma website in your preferred browser and sign in as you normally would. This method works with the free plan, and everything we're doing happens inside the standard Figma interface. Once you're in, go to the file that contains the design you want to work with. Opening your design will bring up the canvas and the right-hand inspector panel, which is where the export controls live. Next, click on the specific asset you want to export. An asset can be a single icon, an image, a component, a frame, or even a piece of text. You can click directly on the canvas, or, if your design is complex, use the Layers panel to make sure you're selecting the exact layer you intend to export. When it's selected, you'll see a clear highlighter area around it, and its details will appear in the right sidebar. Now, look to the right side of your screen for the export section. It's at the bottom of the right-hand panel. If you don't see it, double-check that an asset is actually selected. The export options only appear when something on the canvas is chosen. Click on Export to expand the options and choose the file type you prefer. Here's a quick guide to help you decide. PNG is great for crisp graphics and supports transparency. JPG is useful for photos or gradients where you want a smaller file size. SVG is perfect for vector icons and logos because it stays sharp at any size. And PDF is handy if you need a print-friendly or document-style output. Once you've chosen the file type, you can keep the default settings or adjust them if options are available. Then click Export. Your browser will either download the file automatically or ask you where to save it, depending on your settings. The exported file name usually matches the layer's name in Figma, so if you want tidy file names, it helps to name your layers clearly before exporting. That's it. Open the Figma website, open your design, select the exact asset, choose your export type on the right, and click Export. This straightforward workflow keeps your files clean, consistent, and ready for sharing or development, all for free. If you repeat this for different assets, you can quickly build a complete set of exports that match your design perfectly.